So once you get that side off, you can actually see the oil level sensor. I'll sort of whip that out if I can. It's like 12mm. Nope. 10. So that's the actual unit loose. Never actually changed one of these myself, so I don't know what this bit does. It's obviously keeps the oil in. It's a 14mm. Hold it from the back as well, stop it spinning. Well, looks like you can't get it out until the crank's out, so I'll have to get that crank out first, unless I can spin it. No, it's still a bit too tight, so well. I'll take that crank out. Oh, that might slip through there. No. Alright, so I'll take the crank out.